In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record a credit card payment so your balances are accurate and your reports stay clean. This matters because most spending on a credit card is recorded when the charges happen. The payment you make later is typically not an expense again, it reduces what you owe. Getting this right prevents double counting and keeps your books organized. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to the banking section. In the left menu, open banking and then choose transactions. This is where your bank feed and downloaded activity appear. If you work with multiple accounts, check that you're viewing the bank or checking account you used to pay the credit card. Adjust the date range or use the search box if you need to narrow things down. Next, locate the credit card payment transaction. It often appears as a transfer or a payment leaving your checking account, and the description may reference your credit card provider. If you see more than one similar item for the same amount, slow down and verify the date and details to avoid categorizing duplicates. Click the transaction to open its details. A drawer or detail window will appear showing fields like payee, category, memo, and the bank description. Take a moment to confirm the amount and date match what you expect from your bank statement. Now choose the appropriate account to categorize the payment. In most cases, because you're paying down what you owe, you should select the credit card liability account for that specific card. This tells QuickBooks you're reducing the balance due, not creating a new expense. Only choose an expense category if the transaction is actually a fee or interest charge. Otherwise, stick with the liability account. If your chart of accounts includes a clearly labeled credit card account for that card, pick that one so the payment lines up with the right balance. Add a clear memo so future you or anyone reviewing your books knows exactly what this payment was for. A short note like monthly payment to credit card plus the statement month or other non-sensitive reference can be very helpful for audits and reconciliations. When everything looks good, save the transaction. QuickBooks will apply your selection, and you should see the payment reflected as a reduction of the credit card balance rather than an additional expense. That's it. Simple, accurate, and ready for reporting. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy by categorizing each credit card payment the same way.